Bonk price prediction. I won't waste a second of your time, so let's start right away. First of all, we have a massive amount of liquidations between 19.8 and 19.7. To be more precise, we have $390,000 of liquidations plus 400, so around a mil plus the next level, so around $1 million worth of liquidations just on Binance. If we go below these lows, meaning a lot of people that logged here, and here have these weak lows as their stop loss. So what we really want to do is go ahead and take out these lows to then move higher. So obviously this video is no financial advice. I'll set up an alert as soon as we dump. I'll be interested in taking my position. First target would be VWAP, second target would be 50 EMA, and let's see how it goes. I'm still up a lot on the meme coin portfolio right here on VOOX when we're scalping these meme coins. So if you want to follow it, use the links in the description down below to join the signals chat. This is how it looks like. And also you can go into the link in the description down below to check out my course. I made it super cheap and efficient. It goes over basically everything I know: how I find token cycles, favorite patterns to trade, how I identify my environment, and I will be adding new stuff this week, so make sure you are all caught up to that. See you next video, probably tomorrow. This video is no financial advice. Bye.